minutes, Albert. My people say there's no one there.
Not even that snake from Malmo?
The army blocked the road all morning. We should be first.
Okay, listen. If Junior looks as good as his film, we sign him today.
Yes, of course.
Tell him we can't wait. If we wait, we lose him. You understand?
I understand, Albert. Trust me.
I don't trust you. Are we still alone?
Yes. But Brussels, Kansas City, and your snake from Malmo will be here soon.
Okay, do it. Do it now.
Agnolo, agno cabre, ben choisi Montréal.
Papole Yajin. You have everything they want. Don't go play the African beggar boy. Others are coming with more money. We take the best price, you and I together.
I choose Montreal. Only them.
Why?
But I go on one condition.
What?
He only goes if you take his brother too.
Agreed. Right? Please get his signature on my goddamn contract.
Senor. Apo Nimahe. Now go show these barbarians how this game is played.
I will.
It looks like we've got some big news coming out of Montreal today. From what our spies at Montreal Thunder's front offices are saying this morning, it seems
Your boy gonna do shit this year?
to know the identity of the mystery star to play on the first team.
I'm talking to you.
Coach the U21s and raw scoring phenom Nolan Gallard.
Manchester legend Davy Gunn signs a 2-year, $10 million contract as player-coach of the Montreal Thunder.
What?
Gunn will...
Wait, so they gave him 10 mil. That means he's got to outrank Coach Rokas, no?
Maybe.
Impress Gunn? I'd say you're a lot closer to the first team.
Yeah, but don't forget that right now your head coach is still Rokas.
It's hard to forget. The dude's my face every day.
3,000, 4,000, 5,000. 5 seconds. Amazing.
What?
Our new kid, Junior Lolo, can run the midfield faster than anyone on your first team.
Let's hope he can play soccer, too. You know, I didn't realize that this was going to be a whole family affair. And the apartment in Saint Michel.
Look, he's close to a school. He doesn't want his little brother staying at the team condo. He's protective. Our deal was, I have last word on players and coaches. I'm trying to build a real staff here. And you force Christy Cook on me?
Come on. The first female coach in the MLS? That is like a PR squirt fest.
Only she never coached. I don't want her.
I took you if you would have.
So, our deal means nothing.
You know, the Americans broke her nose and she still beat them 3 times. 20 million people watched that game. In my club, heroes jump the queue.
What about that animus scene? You gotta admire her guts. She seems determined to spend her family's construction fortune trying to turn around this lackluster Montreal Thunder. The Rokas hire, I understand. He played with Maradona and Gaz back in the day, but Christy Cook? I say she lasts 6 weeks max in this league. It's a tough environment, lots of competition.
Yo. Oh. Hey, Big Snacks. What's up?
Ready to crush it, son?
Oh, yo, Emma said you were at school at 6 this morning, man.
Hey, man, Cornell wants to see 3 extra courses. All A's or the dream dies.
Dude, your head's gonna explode.
Yeah, and you gotta get your sleep, you dick. This team needs you.
Oh, don't worry. You know I'm your pimp that gets it all done.
Oh, you're mobbing?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yo, get him off me.
He's captain, man. He can beat your ass when he wants.
Man, that's just embarrassing. I won't judge. 4 leagues in 8 years. This town's never seen skill like that.
And he would cut you in half on the field.
Ah, that's what you love most about him, right? He's a sociopath.
Just a little love tap. Let him know you're there, baby. How'd you sneak in here, rookie?
I was with the U18s. Who are you? Who are you?
No, we're just playing. So you're with the U18s?
I got called up here to.
Who are you? Who are you? Remove that hat. Club rules. It's also called respect.
You always don't know shit. I'm Alex.
I know who you are.
Listen up. Coach wants a word.
Today's our last practice. Season starts Saturday against LA. For the core, this is the last year to prove that you can play pro. The next 4 months are the most important of your lives. How do we make them count? We never stop attacking. We recover as a team. We defend as a team. Yes. We have 15 games to win for these beliefs, to win for Montreal. If we play like this Saturday, and every game this season, every single one of you will get a long look. The league will fear you, and this team will do some serious damage.
Montreal! Thunder!
We brought in a wonderful veteran to help us reach these goals.
They began, they could bury old sod.
It's Christy Cook.
Oh, shit.
5-time Player of the Year, Olympic medalist. She's going to be coaching the Strikers.
Many thanks, Michelle. And Coach Rokas. Last time I was around this much testosterone, someone puked all over my shoes. Anyway, I hope this goes better. Look forward to working with all of you.
Okay, let's hit the pitch.
Come on, guys. Mark your man, mark your man. Get up, go, pass it up. Keep it wide.
Hey, hold up. Hold up, guys.
Bring it in.
Okay, guys, when I go for a header against someone taller than me, I put my arm up on their shoulder. It's a little clip, stops them from jumping. Blind side of the ref, they won't see it. You win space, you win games. Do it again.
Boy might have some dog in him.
Pass.
Nolan!
Who told you to do that? I said lay it off early.
I thought it'd be better if I beat the man.
So now you're the coach? On Saturday, LA will be faster and stronger. If we don't pass, we will lose and have another season of shit. I won't let that happen. You play alone, run alone. 20 laps. Now, let's go!
Take your guy.
Flowers from our country. A gift.
Seeds, plants, bulbs, all illegal to import.
I'm sorry, we didn't know.
You can keep them
You are very kind.
if you have a certificate proving their safety.
But why the letter too? It is very important to us.
Hey, come to.
I'm sorry, this boy. Please, our deepest apologies.
Get out of here.
I was thinking maybe you could stay. Do this thing forever, every single day. You look like a bad one, maybe you would stray. Maybe you're
All right, you gotta leave the cave.
No, not yet.
Your folks are awake. Kid, Dad's already on his rower.
I want us to spend as much time as we can.
What? You got in somewhere else?
Still waiting, but I applied to other schools. It's probably gonna happen.
And Miguel Med?
Nothing yet.
So if Miguel says no, then you're leaving.
I'd never decide without you. I want you to be happy for me.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I can do that.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm crashing to St. Jerome at Stacy's place.
Yeah, I'm late for work now. She's a handful today.
Okay. I'll deal with it.
And until when?
I'm back, Peter. For good.
Just make sure she does her exercises. Can you handle that?
For rent and daily living.
It's a lot.
15,000, like we said, living expenses and your bonus. Sly, it was very nice to meet you. My wife and I live 15 minutes away. If you two need anything, please let me know.
Yes, Coach.
Coach Michel will take you back in 1 hour. Now, you still can't practice, but we'll have your work permit before game time. Welcome.
Thank you. Walongi and Bopa. What was I supposed to do? Huh? Tell me. You don't mess with the police. You know that. A gun is a gun. You know what we are here to do. You put all of that at risk today.
I know you were an athlete, and I know you get it. We have got to start training before you lose more muscle.
I'm okay.
Come on, we used to do this all the time. It's just one set. Easy. Yeah. Like we used to do. Right? Just try it. Here.
Okay.
Just
no.
You can do it. Just wait, Mom.
You. And fuck you too.
I'm sorry.
You can trust me.
Hello? Hey.
What are you doing, man?
I just moved in.
Get out of my bathroom. You see the big guy with headphones? Don't talk to him, ever. And don't be late for practice. It's review day.
Okay.
Fan, you're up.
You know what we call players like you in Argentina?
No, sir.
Armarios, wardrobes, big, strong, central defenders that kick the shit out of you for 90 minutes.
Thank you, sir. I think.
You are my armario. For you to be effective, the opponent must fear you. But you've lost your intensity, Stefan. Fix it. Bring it back up, or you won't be in my starting 11.
What the hell are you doing?
In front of my spots, they go in the shower.
Screw you, they do.
Hey. Come with me. Why the drama?
Coach needs me angry. People need to know the rules.
And you know the rules. How's your knee?
Strong.
Your gait's changed.
Well, I'm not sure I agree, but I like that you're noticing.
You're compensating out there.
You talked to Rokas about it?
No.
See, it's nothing. It's just a tweak. I'm probably the oldest prospect on the planet. Anything more than a tweak, and I'm done. So it's gotta be just a tweak.
We'll monitor it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're a talent on the ball and a leader.
Thank you, sir.
So how am I going to tell my second string guys they have to pay the price for stupid mistakes if I treat you differently?
Look, I know I need this team to win. But I also need space to score goals, which helps everybody, no? I mean, that's what got me here, right? The stuff I do out there, nobody else can.
With all your tricks and dribbling, this team finished bottom half last year. It's simply this. Either you play the system or you sit. Your decision.
So, how do you like Montreal?
It is very good.
You made some unusual demands.
I need my brother with me. He's like my lucky charm. Yeah?
My African Galactico.
Coach.
You know Miss Messina? And this is Mike Shields, the coach of our first team.
I just met Coach Shields. Everyone is very agreeable.
Glad to hear it.
Where do you like to play, Junior?
I give my best playing right in front of the defense. If the sea is deep, then the fish can breathe.
Heels, Davey!
Look at this. No,
Welcome. Our pleasure. So happy to have you. Welcome.
Nice. You'll play LA this Saturday, how you train all winter. Attack. You lose the ball, we pressure. Nice.
I said one up top. Two strikers leaves us light in the midfield. Why is she screwing with my plan 24 hours before game time?
Yes, coach. Rokas wants one up top.
I was just trying to encourage some flexibility, loosen the guys up.
Not now, change it back. Fast.
Is there a problem with my girl?
No, not at all.
And we got practice in the big house and all those suits up there with Rokas. Why today?
Bring it in!
What? You applause, you dickheads? Okay, that's enough.
Now you're acting like a bunch of arslickers. Now, I know this is a big year for you lot, but despite all the pressure, enjoy yourselves. That's when I played my best, and I'm not dead yet. So while I'm still breathing, I'm very serious about imparting what I know. I'm also here to learn from you guys. So why not show me something now? Come on. Mano a mano, who's hard enough? You, pretty boy. Sit down, wee man. You big lanky clown.
You can count, man. You got a few watching.
Hey, little crush.
Hey.
Next time's worse, you flash fucking tosser.
No. Hey,
Oh, leave it. Let it go.
Look, I'm sorry, Michelle. I can't face any positive thinking right now.
Get up. First team coach wants a word.
So maybe Davy Gunn isn't in top shape. But what you did to him today showed the fire that we're looking for. Anna Messina agrees. I know Roker's is preaching systems to you guys right now, and that's good. But you got goals in your DNA, a sizzle that people will pay to see. So you keep showing that hunger in games, and I'm calling you up. Maybe even for the West Coast, 10 days. We're all talking about you again. You need to seize this opportunity.
I will. Thank you, sir.
Good man. See you at the dinner tonight?
Yeah, I'll be there.
On behalf of every level of this organization, from our under 21s to our pro first team and management, I welcome you to the Thunder family. Wear those colors with pride. Tomorrow night is our first game. Tomorrow I discover if I've hired the wrong people. I've taken risks this year. Do not mistake these risks for kindness. My goal for this club is greatness. God bless you all. Montreal!
What do I do with an angry gun?
You make it right.
If you're here to apologize, you can piss off. Now, me and you are going next door for a drink.
Okay.
As if you had a choice, mate.
Come on, the day before a game, you're gonna pull this?
If you want to go pro, you have to overcome adversity. Cheers.
Okay, power hour. This won't be pretty. One drink every minute for 60 minutes.
Starting now. Emma, that is a beautiful dress. How did you get her, big man? Is it down there? Is that what it is? Because it's definitely not up there.
Stop. You're so funny.
I'm out.
That's okay, you're a future healer. Responsibilities. Nolan and I are footballers. All we have is our honor.
This is crazy. You don't have to.
Party's not over till we say it is, little man. What do you want next?
This one, the Georgia mod.
Okay. I want the Jordan Mud Fudge. This one, the Judge.
Like a dog with two dicks in here, aren't you?
I can't go out like this back home, so...
What? You mean you can't get drunk and womanize without it all going viral?
Excellent diagnosis. The worst I get here is people thinking I'm that twat from Game of Thrones. Which isn't even a bad thing, because birds love that twat.
Washroom. Hey, ladies. The star of Game of Thrones is in town shooting a huge movie, and he'd love for you to join him.
Damn, dude, I hope you're not this much of a wimp on the field. You know, guys at the academy spend years waiting for the spot that you just kind of slid into. And then you get what I hear some crazy cash stipend to rent this place over in Saint Michel? You too good to live with us?
Dude, shut up. We're celebrating right now. Like, good.
That was a good plan. I was about to roofie his ass.
Yeah. We should get out of here before he remembers us.
What the fuck, man? No, come here, you Irish mongrel! Oh my God.
What's up, homie?
How long you been free?
A month. Still feels strange.
See my old man?
Yeah, up at the river. Then my last 6 and moved me to Cowansville, so I didn't see him no more.
Yeah, how's he doing?
You know him, man. He don't talk much.
Yeah.
Hey, so Noah here tells me you're becoming a doctor. Oh, is that right?
Sure, in about 10 years.
Well, I'm proud of her.
I'm glad to finally meet Special K. High school bad boy, second only after this one, right?
That's right. You did it right. Getting the hell out of the point.
You boys should come to a game sometime.
Maybe. Maybe.
We should head up.
Yeah.
Don't forget us when you make it, right?
Yeah, don't forget me if I don't.
Good.
Peace, man.
Stay out of trouble.
Later.
Yo, Em! Yo, hold up. Yo, man, we're gonna hit up Bar 9. Now that all the boys know you're back, they want to see you. Come on, man. Who knows when we're gonna hang again, right?
First game tomorrow. I know how I sound, but it's true.
Em, we know this boy's got a curfew now. We'll be good.
Look, it's a night game tomorrow, baby. I'll be back in a flash, I promise. Give me a text when you're home safe, okay?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
Joey, that side. Go, go, go!
Hey! Wait! Grégoire! Attends! Grégoire! Grégoire! Hey! Why did you run?
No papers. Forgive me. I thought you were someone else. I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Still look like Bar 9.
Haitian Padme owes me, man.
Go do what you gotta do.
What? You too good for us now? Whatever, man.
Yo, Gorilla Nuts is back. Cross that canal, and you bitches belong to us.
Point soldiers never die. Terrified! Fuck you doing here, man?
The fuck you mean? You got my juice? You're a pay room boy.
Nah, I paid enough money already.
You're gonna pay me.
Yo, hard beef and potato on me.
Pay me.
Get out of here! Go! Come on, go! Come on! Come on! Fight! We ain't a goddamn boy! Crazy! What the hell did you do?
Everyone in the way. Now!
Hey. Thanks for coming home early.
Yeah.
Special and those point guys are cool. But you're not like them. If it weren't for this.
Okay, I think I lost my chain up at the bar.
I'll come help you look.
No, it's okay. I got it. Get some sleep.
No, Mom, don't!
Oh, stupid!
Stop it! Stop! Calm the hell down!
anyone from Point St. Charles in the house, huh? Or perhaps a beast from Shibugumu? Is anyone here from that soccer hothouse known as the Ivory Coast? Is anyone here from LA? No. Come on! Because I hate LA! Yeah. Who do I hate? LA! Who do I hate? LA! Well then, I think it's about time that LA gets fucked up!
This is champs versus chumps. Montreal finished way down last year. Can Coach Rokas deliver?
Let's go.
A sharp start from Montreal. They give up possession and snatch it back with real confidence. Montreal is keeping their shape. They're retaining possession and asking some real questions of that LA defense. Nolan tries to get turned and make space, but is easily dispossessed once again.
Settle, man. Set focus.
You okay?
Free kick. An immediate chance for redemption for Nolan. He's always dangerous from here.
갤러드 선수가 이제 프리킥을 차고선 우리 상황에 좋아 보입니다. 네, 너무 세게 차갖군요. 놓쳐버렸습니다.
Gallard is the glaring exception so far today in an organised Montreal squad that's putting a real scare into last year's champions.
The fullback can't turn right. Quick pass inside to Tran, catch that boy on his wrong foot.
Good.
Big guy doesn't want to hear it from me, though. You passed on.
Coach.
Number 9 football count.
Here's Tran, cutting inside, and out. Go. Some blazing speed from the youngster. Rookie scores, and a real shock is on the cards here. Last year's basement dwellers are up 1-0.
Trent, you got him, man.
I need to see more, you know that.
Yeah.
There are things you do on the field that no one else can. Next half, show me that. Show me something.
We're underway again, and you can bet LA got the hairdryer treatment at halftime. They'll be well motivated to change things here. Gallard in midfield tries to be too clever, and he loses it once again. And here comes LA. Can they punish that mistake? And they can. Los Angeles equalize, and it's anybody's game right now.
Bishop. Nolan's out, Junior's in. Junior.
This is interesting. Montreal bringing in their new Ivorian recruit, Junior Lolo, in a last-minute move to try and win this game. A risky substitution by Rokas, and it comes at the expense of Montreal striker Nolan Gallard.
Do we have a player or don't we?
Put that African hard!
Junior is straight into it and hurdles that vicious two-footed tackle. The referee decides to let it go. LA attacks one last time, and surely these are the final moments now. El Haddadi fires the ball to Junior. Terrific skill to make some space. He has a look, strikes it from midfield. The keeper's off his line. And it's there! An audacious strike. A remarkable goal from 45 yards. And that is that. The whistle goes and Montreal beats LA.
Congratulations, Coach.
The next time you have a suggestion, tell me yourself.
Hey.
Hi.
You still made me proud, baby.
You have to have a short memory in this business. It's the only way to survive.
Sonny got more than he's bargained for. Even knows. We get rid of it?
No. Jesus, no way. We had a time, man.